So in this video, I just want to share with you how to solve, how to add or subtract rational expressions. Here's example number 1. I want to add these two things together, okay? I want to illustrate by doing ordinary addition with just numbers, fractions, okay? Because rational expressions are basically fractions, all right? Whatever rules or principles that work with fraction, they also work with rational expressions. So here, I need to find the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. Okay, that's 12. And then I need to decide how to convert this 3 here to become 12. All right, I just multiply by 4. And whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. So I'm going to have 8 up here. 2 times 4 is 8. I need to multiply this one by 3. And multiply by 3. And I will get 9. And then now I can just add the numerator and keep, one of the denominator, because this is 8 pieces of 12th, 9 pieces of 12th will give me 17 pieces of 12th, okay? We're going to do exact same thing over here with rational expressions, okay? So this is what we do. We are going to, let's see. All right, so we're going to do factor first of all. Let's factor this. So it will be 3 x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so now we're going to look for LCM. The LCM of x plus 3, x plus 3, sorry about that, is x minus 3. Getting a little bit tired, I need to go home. All right, let's go back. So I find one common denominator. So it will be x plus 3 and x minus 3. What I'm doing really is I am picking one of each of the factors. So I'm picking one of this. I pick this, that's that. I pick this, and that's that. I don't need to pick x minus 3 again as a factor. I already have one picked out there. So that's the idea behind it. Just pick one of each different factor, right, to represent the other factors for your LCM. Okay, so now we're going to try to match this denominator with the numerator, with the LCM. So I have x plus 3, x minus 3 down here. I only have x plus 3 here. I need to multiply this denominator by x minus 3. Just like when I had 3 over here and I had 12 down here, I needed to multiply by 4 in order to get to 12. It's the exact same idea. So, but whatever I do to the denominator, I must do to the numerator, okay? X minus 3. So now I can actually write this as x 3 times x minus 3 will be the numerator. And then the denominator for this is exact same denominator. I don't need to do anything. I multiply by 1, so it's just going to be 2x. Because it's exact same, okay? It's just 2x. Now I'm ready to finish this off by using one of the denominator. So it will be x minus 3, x plus 3. And then combining the numerator. I'm going to combine these numerators now, okay? I'm going to combine this with this. All right, but first I need to multiply this one, okay? I'll multiply that. Let's multiply. So that 3x minus 3 is really 3x minus 9. I want to combine with that with 2x. So 2x and 3x is 5x. 5x minus 9. And that is the answer to this expression. All right, to this original expression. This is a single rational expression for that. Here's another example that is a little bit not as easy as that, because we have a minus here. We have a subtraction in this example. All right, we're going to start off the same way and factor. So we're going to factor both sides, both expressions. All right, minus 7 over x. This is 32, so I need minus 8 and x plus 4. If you don't know how to factor this, look for this video with factoring trinomials. All right, let's move on. So now I need to find the LCD. So I find the LCD, or the common multiple, lowest least common multiple. All right, like before, I'm going to pick one of each factors, okay? I'm going to pick one of these. I'll pick this. Oops, that's not what I need to do. Come back again, x plus 4. So I'm going to pick this. I already have it over there, so I'll pick this also. I don't need to pick this because I already have x plus 4. So the LCD will be x plus 4, x minus 8, x plus 4, x minus 8. Now I'm set. I just need to match them now. So I'll put x minus 8 over here to match this with this, and then do the same thing at the numerator. And this is already matched. These are matched already. So I put 7 here and do 3x times x minus 8. As before, I'm just going to multiply this numerator, okay? So 3x, x minus 8 is really 3x squared minus 24x. And then I'm going to do minus 7, okay, minus 7. So, and I keep the denominator, the common denominator, I keep it. And now I can copy this and put it as the numerator now. And minus, what's that? Minus 7. Okay. That's basically what it is. So I just keep one on the denominator and then combine like terms on the numerator. Yes, another one that might be a little bit challenging, okay? But it's not supposed to be. So I have these two factors that are like reversed. The terms are reversed. I need to rewrite this 2 minus x as negative x plus 2, which I can take out a negative, becomes negative x minus 2. So this problem really is like this. Minus 7 negative x minus 2. So it's like I'm dividing. So I have a minus divided by a negative. It's like I'm dividing this minus and minus. So that those two will turn the problem to addition problem. So it's really x minus 2 at the denominator, really. X minus 2. And now since it's only a common denominator, it's the same thing. I just keep it and then do 7 plus 7. So the final answer is 14x minus 2. We did something similar to this in class. So check your note if you're still confused. All right. So let's move to the last example. Woohoo! This is the last example right here. All right, to add these two together, I need to make fraction out of this by putting 1 at the denominator. And then now the LCD is 1 times x minus 4. So it will be this plus and then plus. So x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4. X minus 4, I need to multiply this one by x minus 4 to keep it the same. So x times x minus 4. Same thing for the other one, 2 times x minus 4. These last ones are already matched. I just bring the x on top of it, the x, not 8. Kind of getting tired. So it's x. All right, now, so I have common denominator of x minus 4. I just keep it. X minus 4, like this. And now I need to multiply the numerator. So x times x minus 4, that's s squared minus 4x. And then 2 times x minus 4 is 2x minus 8. And then I have x. So now I'm going to add all this together. I'm going to add this with this, combining like terms, and then combine that with this last x over here. Everything must be added together. So we have x squared, then the 4x, negative 4x, and 2x will make negative 2x. With this x, don't forget, so that will make negative x. I need to add it to that x, will be negative x. And then the minus 8 coming from there, so minus 8. I think that is the last, that's the answer to the problem. So basically, you're just looking for common denominator and then balancing the denominators by multiplying by something that will make the denominator all the same, okay? Like this one will be x minus 4. They are the same. You do the same thing at the numerator. Same thing here. All right. And then after that, multiplying out the numerator and then combining like terms. I hope this helps a little bit. All right, I'm signing off because I'm tired a little bit. See you next video.